Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys oppo mobile setting, and in this video friends I am going to show you how to stop talkback, how to remove talkback in oppo mobile. So friends, in your oppo mobile you don't want to use talkback setting. By mistake you have enabled talkback in your Android mobile and in your oppo mobile, and you want to stop talkback. So friends, now let's see how to stop talkback one by one, step by step we will talk about. First of all guys, swipe here with two finger, then you can use your talkback setting. If you one finger, so you cannot use. Friends, your phone screen is locked, you want to unlock your Android mobile, you want to unlock your oppo mobile, so you can unlock your oppo mobile with two finger. One finger swipe, phone will not unlock. Use your two finger swipe, phone will unlock. Again use your two finger, scroll down here, open your phone setting, double tap, continue. If you one tap, setting app will not on. If you tap here photos app, one tap, photos app will not on, play store app will not on, product apps will not on. So once one tap here, double tap here, setting app will on. So one tap and double tap continue, setting app will on. Podcast, double tap continue, tap here Bluetooth setting, and you can click anywhere, but I click here Bluetooth setting. Two finger, scroll down, one finger you cannot use. Use your two finger, you can use oppo mobile screen. Open your phone additional setting, one tap, double tap continue. Use your two finger, scroll down here, open your phone accessibility setting with double tap continue. One tap, accessibility setting will not on, double tap continue, setting will open. First option friends, you will find talkback setting. One tap, double tap continue. You can stop talkback in your oppo mobile with double tap. One tap, double tap continue, stop button, double tap, talkback will stop in oppo mobile. If you one tap, talkback will not stop, talkback setting will not off in your oppo mobile. Double tap continue, talkback stop. Now you can use your phone without talkback setting. One finger you can scroll down, you can scroll up. Recent app you can check, you close your recent app, you can lock your screen, you can unlock your phone with one finger. So like this way you can stop talkback. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Do you have any doubt, you have any problem in accessibility settings, so you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye.